My name's Dan Eady. My business is called Kiwis Bowls. I started this during my master's degree in Swansea University whilst I was studying international tourism management. A acai, or a smoothie bowl, is a base of blended frozen fruit, and then on top of this frozen fruit you can put an array of healthy toppings such as nuts, seeds, berries and fresh fruit. I've always been interested and keen to keep healthy and in nutrition, and decided to just take the plunge and start a business in Swansea, because I noticed there was a gap in the market in Swansea and there wasn't really anyone supplying like a healthy takeaway smoothie bowl business. The enterprise team have been great from the start. They introduced me to the Big Pitch. This is a competition that students can apply for and pitch their business ideas to win either funding or mentorship. And thankfully I won £3,000 funding towards my business. The funding from Santander and Swansea University through the Big Pitch was massively helpful in purchasing the initial equipment. So I needed to purchase blenders and signs and general equipment, so this massively helped get me off the ground. Now the season's coming, so spring and summer, the business is progressing, there's traction's being gained. The long-term plan for the business is to keep growing the brand in Swansea and just keep expanding the business. I'd love to have multiple locations eventually, because I know there's a need, especially in South Wales, for healthier food options. I'd say the biggest bit of advice that I can give is just to start your business, because a lot of people have business ideas and you can delay it and think, oh, I'm waiting for the right opportunity. Starting my business whilst finishing my master's, some would say it's a stupid decision, but actually starting and just doing anything like creating the logo, making that idea in your head into like a tangible thing, just gets the ball rolling. Because you can get overwhelmed really about how much there is to do to start a business, but if you just start, slowly improve, then you'll be fine.